It's very nice today. The 3rd of May 2023. We have here the två floors. It's on Terhotie uppe i Olavägen 3, stäckes A here in Pähkinärinne, Hasselbacken, Vantaa, Helsinki's Forest region, Uusimaa Finland, first in Mirmäki, Virbakka, and Louhilat Nipsta. And it was built in 1992. It's our 30 years old. Last year, 2022. It will be inspected this year. In 2005. The number is 67239. The capacity is 4 persons and 25 grams. Let's take the last here. I love the sounds in here.
The same. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Kone.
It sounds so typically 1992.
Yeah.
And very typically early 1990s. I think also 90, 91 and 93 had similar sounds.
Yeah.
Whatever Kone. But the sounds are of course much closer to 1990 and 91.
Yeah.
Than to 93 novel, because the novel has a more modern sound.
Yeah. That's it.